Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ आपकी टेक बहू गुजराती टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स टू मेक लाइफ सिंपलर एंड इजियर। आज हम रिव्यू करने वाले हैं कुछ गमीज। मेरे पास रियल फ्रूट की दो गमीज हैं। एक है मिक्स फ्रूट और एक ये वाली है बेरीज, और तीसरी है जो डिफरेंट है, नॉट फ्रॉम द ब्रांड रियल फ्रूट. दिस इज वाइन गम्स. So that means let's get started. So we'll get started with the wine one first. So these are basically multicolored gummies, and it says contains no wine. Thank God. It has a nice flavor. Too chewy. Almost like it's sticking to your gums. But yeah, if you just want to eat something sweet quickly, perfect. This is the other one. There's one with super fruits is what they call it. And they have a lot of berry pictures on it. So it says here at the back, cranberry, blackcurrant, blueberry, pomegranate. I'm excited. Very beautiful small gummies here. So this one's probably my pomegranate. It's definitely softer than the other gums we just saw. And one of these real fruit ones comes with jelly in between, which is amazing. I failed to remember what it is. But all these gummies are very nice and soft, which is something I like. And all of them have the flavors that they have committed to. It's better than the other. And this one is medley. This has cherry, orange, blueberry, lemon, raspberry, strawberry. And it comes in a red packet. This is more chewy than the other one, but these have some citrus flavors, so it's different. So all of these are different from each other, but my favorite would be these, the ones with blueberry. So do let me know if you've tried these, if you've tried something else, and if you know the name of the real fruit gummies which has the jelly within it. Please do comment in the comment box below so that I can try it again. Until next time, this is your Tech Boo signing off.